Today I'm going to be sharing a very introductory basic overview of how to add forms to your ClickUp views. So just select this Add View button at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you see Forms. Select Add View. From there you'll see that you have many different options. You can give your form a title so they know what they're submitting the form for, add a description, and then you can select your task fields. Now these fields line up with your list, so make sure to keep that in mind when you're building your form. So I'm going to select the task name, so who's ever submitting can give this task a name, a task description so they can tell us a little bit more about what they need and what the requirements are, the start date so my team generally knows when to start it, and the requested due date, as well as priority so they can tell us if it's really urgent, and the department because this list has many different departments and we want to know whose attention it should be going to. From there you'll see that you also have other options like selecting if something is required or not required. So I'm going to on-select for task description and for priority, but I want them to fill out everything else. You can preview your form here just to see what it'll look like to who's ever filling it out, and then go back to the editing. Once you have everything the way that you want it set up, just select the share button and this will give you a link that you can share out for people to submit via the form. Now there are many different add-ons with automations, like automatically assigning someone based off of if a certain department is selected, and a lot of other detailed high level, but this is a very basic overview of how to add a form to your list in ClickUp.